the QCIC is a program that is supported by federal government, which is the Economic Development Agency, by the state of Connecticut, Connecticut Innovation, and by the university. The purpose of that is to bring the latest technology from UConn research into the small, medium-sized companies without asking them to contribute in funding. We connected Dr. Steve Soup with the Loos Company, and as a result, they created a statement of work and a research program.
Loos and Company sources our raw materials from all around the world. And occasionally, some batches of material don't perform as well as others. We wanted UConn to assist us in identifying the hidden characteristics that could impact the final performance of the finished product.
We're doing a lot of chemical analyses of those materials to see why are some of them good, why do some of them fail, and we're using the electron microscopy facility, the new UConn-FEI Center of Advanced Microscopy and Advanced Materials, the CAMMA Center, to analyze a lot of these materials to understand their chemical composition, the structure of the materials, their shapes.
The strength of a metal can be determined by looking at the microstructure, or the atomic arrangement of the atoms. And looking at that structure, I was able to look at the structure of the steels in material that was failing and material that was passing. And I found that there was a difference in something called the interlamellar spacing of the perlite, which is the form that that steel happens to take. And I found that passing material had a different spacing than failing material. And we believe that was the source of the different mechanical strengths.
It's a great project. I think it should lead to new additive type jobs in the state of Connecticut. We're very pleased to be working with Loos. It's a lot of fun.
Everything we did with UConn was seamless, very easy to provide materials and get quick results, very detailed responses to the specific questions that we asked.
The opportunity to meet with the next generation of researchers, the next generation of engineers, to build long-standing relationships with a premier research institution so close to our businesses here in Connecticut was one of the factors that drew us into working with UConn, and it's going to pay dividends for years to come, we know.